Hi, and welcome to today's episode of Indulge Podcast. Very few women and very few singers from Calcutta have made history, and one of them is Iman Chakraborty. From starting with her debut song, Tumi Jake Bhalo Basho, which went on to win a national award, to garnering immense love and response from Rangaboti in Gotro. And this time she is here again to take another challenge, bringing and gifting Calcutta, the city of joy, its first musical opera, and in Bengali. We are very excited to hear from Iman about the journey to bring this novel concept to the cityscape. And we are welcoming Iman, who is going to spill the beans herself. Namaskar, Iman, and welcome to Indulge. Opera is a very Western concept that we have always seen. Bringing it to Calcutta for the city and to the city's audience who are very culturally enhanced.
Yeah.
How did the plan germinate?
Thank you for having me, first of all. So we went to UK for our performance, and me and Nilanjan, we are very fond of. In fact, all of our band members, we are very fond of musical shows. We go to witness world's one of the greatest musicians' performances on stage. So we went to Piccadilly Street and saw Phantom of the Opera. It's a fantastic, one of the finest operas in Europe, rather all over world. So we saw that opera, and Nilanjan has gone mad. He told me that Amader Banglaয় we always have Gitinatto, we have Nrityanatto, we have Gupi গাইন বাঘা বাইন, যে হাততালি দিচ্ছি চলে যাচ্ছি আমরা কোথাও একটা. So why can't we do this thing on stage?
Right.
So that was his idea, and we can call it musical theater as well, rather calling it an opera or a Broadway. It's a musical theater, and I'm performing, I'm singing, I'm dancing, I'm acting on stage. My students are there with me. We have 60 people on stage. It's a huge thing that we are going to do on the 23rd and 22nd of March. I have never done this kind of shows, or never thought of doing any kind of this kind of shows. So it's basically Nilanjan who has, it's his brainchild.
Right.
And every songs, 18 songs, these are all my original songs.
Never released before.
No, of course released, but my playbacks, my original songs for my basic albums. So I'm really excited. I'm really thrilled to perform it in front of my audience who love my music, and I think they'll be there, and I think I can make them happy.
Tomake Dekhbo Bole. Tell us a little bit about the name.
Okay, so Tomake Dekhbo Bole. So I have a small production house. So I release my own songs from my YouTube channel. I have my team. They take care of my channel and the house. So Tomake Dekhbo Bole, this song is written by Dipanshu, and music and composed by one of the finest music directors nowadays, Shanai. So one day Shanai called me, that he told me that Iman, এটা তোমার জন্য একটা গান বানিয়েছি, তুমি এটা দারুণ গাইতে পারবে. So I asked him to come to our studio. He came and I listened to the song. It's a fantastic song, very relaxing, very happy mood wala song. And then I recorded the song. And when we were discussing about the name of this musical theater, suddenly somebody was humming this da 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 da, and then
Can you hum a few lines?
yeah. তোমাকে দেখবো বলে দু চোখ বন্ধ করে আছি, আলো যত দূরে দূরে যায়, ছায়া তত আসে কাছাকাছি. Somebody was humming these lines. প্রথমে আমি ভেবেছিলাম যে তুমি যাকে ভালোবাসো এরকম কিছু একটা নাম দেব, বাট আফটার দ্যাট when I listened to the song, I thought that this is the name, and then that's how it's
But it also sits apt, right? Tomake Dekhbo Bole, because
Absolutely.
musical theater, opera,
Absolutely.
Broadway, whatever you say, it's something that people are really dying to watch.
Absolutely.
So, you know, tomake
But you know what? It's very unfortunate that nowadays our audience, I'm not talking about everyone, but um, a class of audience, they're not willing to buy tickets for any musical shows.
Okay.
And they're not, they always love to listen to music free. Free te shunbo. This is a very bad practice.
So what can be done to better this?
We, the performers, we have to, you know, engage our audiences. We have to আমি ট্রেন কথাটা বলাটা খুব ভুল হবে, এটা আমি বলতে চাই না, কিন্তু আমাদের এটা শুরু করতে, উই হ্যাভ টু স্টার্ট। এবছর দিস ইয়ার উই প্রচুর মিউজিক্যাল কনসার্টস হচ্ছে, লাইক অনুপম রয়, হি হ্যাজ ডান হিজ সোলো, রূপম ইসলাম, আরো অনেকে, রাঘব চ্যাটার্জি, অনেকেই করেছেন। সো দিস ইজ আ চ্যালেঞ্জ ফর আস নাও। I mean, we performer in Calcutta or in Bengal, we always perform like in front of 40,000 people, like 50,000 people, but they are invited through a club or through a party or through someone else, but they are not organizing it. The organizers call them and they come and witness our performance. But this time, eita to prothomoto I will never do it on my own in Calcutta. কেউ যদি চায়, because it's a huge production.
Right.
মানে এটার পেছনে আমরা যে টাকাটা লিটারালি ব্যয় করছি, একটা বাংলা ছায়াছবিতে এই টাকাটা খরচা হয়। ইটস আ হিউজ প্রোডাকশন। তো এটা তো আই কান্ট ডু ইট ফ্রিকুয়েন্টলি, আমার তো ওই টাকাটা নেই। বাট হোয়াট দে ক্যান হেল্প মি, দ্য ওয়ে they have to buy tickets and they have to come to witness this program. So I'm really requesting my audience that please buy your tickets from Zomato, District by Zomato, Bosho and Book My Show, and please do drop in.
Tell us what went behind, how long have you been practicing, what's the team strength like, and what's going to happen on stage?
Okay. So we went to London, as I was saying you, that it was in 2021. Then 2022, 23, 24 আমরা ভেবেই কাটিয়ে দিয়েছি that we have to do it, we will do it এটা হচ্ছিল, but we were not getting sponsors, and then finally few kind people they came forward and they ওরা আমাকে ওদের বিশ্বাস আমার উপর দেখিয়েছে, that no Iman, you do it, we are there. So ওটা ওদের ওই অ্যাসুরেন্সটা পাওয়ার পরেই we started practicing. Last 2 months, me and my team, we did not do any single shows to do this show, because it needs lots of practice, it needs lots of attention to it. You just can't go to the rehearsal pad and just practice a song and performing in front of the audience. No, it's not like that. It's not the regular shows that we are doing. It's something else. আমাকে অভিনয় শিখছি, I have to learn acting, I have to learn dancing. I'm not an actor or a dancer. So to me, as you can see, they're practicing dance. They all are the students of Iman Songit Academy.
Right.
So they are the students of music. কিন্তু now, ওরা ওদের ভাঙছে, ওরা ওদের ভেঙে একটা জায়গায় পৌঁছচ্ছে। We brought a fantastic acting coach from Bombay, Sampriti. So she's fantastic. ও আমাদের প্রচুর শেখাচ্ছে। Last 2 months we have not done a single show. Now I do my classes, I have my recordings or shootings. My musicians, they're depending on me. My technicians, they're depending on me. Still, they took the chance and they supported me. Then let's do it. Let's create a history.
Right. And how many people are involved?
More than 60 people.
Right.
Stage to 60 উপরে বেশি লোক থাকবে।
Right. So Niranjan is also directing this.
Yeah.
And has there
বাংলা
ever
একটা
been-
কথা আছে না, সরি আমি তোমাকে কাটলাম।
please.
জুতো সেলাই থেকে চণ্ডীপাঠ পুরোটাই ও করছে।
Have there ever been any kind of disagreements that, you know, maybe this could have been done better
Yeah.
this way, that would have been
Yeah.
done better that way?
Yeah.
How were they solved?
See, for the betterment of the program, sometimes there are, disagreements. Sometimes um, I'm keeping aside. You do it. I'm not telling anything. But we are doing it for the betterment of our show.
Right.
So of course there are some hitch and problems, but we are sorting it out.
Right. And so, since this is going to be a 1 hour, 2 hour long,
No, it's going to be a 3 hour show.
3 hour long show,
Yeah.
and you are singing live.
Oh,
And you have been
yes.
rehearsing for the last 2 months, taking classes and also, you know, your recordings. How have you been taking care of your voice?
It's a very good question. I love to speak a lot. I'm a very, very talkative person. I love to, clear my heart out. But for the last 2 months, my voice speech is like the hello, like that. It has become hello like this. So because see, I have to act as well.
Right.
So there are variations of voice. Sometimes I need to speak loud. Sometimes I need to speak very low. So I can't play with this anymore
But this is your debut in acting
on stage.
on stage, right?
Yeah, I have done some web series. Web series আমি অভিনয় করেছি. I acted for a film as well. But you know what? The live acting on stage is something different. Being a live performer, I always prefer to sing live on stage rather than singing in a studio. I feel very I don't feel free in studio. সেটা বলা ভুল হবে, মানে তখন আমি একজনের লিটারালি দায়িত্বে রয়েছি, হু ইজ গাইডিং মি, মাই মিউজিক ডিরেক্টর. হি ইজ গাইডিং মি, ইউ সিং ইট লাইক দিস অর লাইক দ্যাট. বাট অন স্টেজ আই এম দ্য কুইন. হ্যাঁ, সেখানে আমাকে কেউ কিছু বলার নেই. আই এম আ ফ্রি বার্ড. অভিনয়ের ক্ষেত্রেও আমি তাই দেখলাম. When you are acting, in front of a camera, the camera person or the director, they can get the best of the shots and they can put it in a scene, right? That's how the best scene comes out. But এই ক্ষেত্রে you have no retakes.
Right.
তোমার কোথাও ভুল হবে, তোমার অডিয়েন্স দেখবে, তোমার ঠিক হবে, তোমার অডিয়েন্স দেখবে. And we are doing everything live.
Right.
There is no +1 scene is happening here. Everything is live. So, yes, as a stage actor, this is
This is
my
your debut.
Yes.
And will we be able to see you in anything on stage in future?
I
Will
would
you
love
consider?
to. I would love to, because আমার ওই নেশাটা লেগে গেছে. I really want to do this show in Europe and outside of India, outside of Bengal. I really wish that
I was actually coming to that.
Yeah.
Like, what are your plans after the premiere in Calcutta?
Yeah, so we already have few shows lined up out of India, and ওখানে বেসিক্যালি বিদেশিদের সামনেই আমরা এটা পারফর্ম করছি. সো প্রিমিয়ার ইজ দ্য অ্যাবসলিউটলি রাইট, what do you call it?
Word.
Yes, word. তো এখানে কলকাতায় প্রিমিয়ারটা করে আমরা এখান থেকে হাওয়া হয়ে যাব.
So where are you going?
Europe.
Okay.
So we are going to Scotland first,
Okay.
and then আরো কিছু প্ল্যানস রয়েছে. লেটস সি. কারণ এইটা সবসময়, যেহেতু ইটস আ ভেরি বিগ বাজেট প্রোগ্রাম, এটা সবসময় কলকাতায় করা পসিবল হবে না. বাট স্টিল মানে আমরা চাই যে এই প্রোগ্রামটা আমরা কলকাতা শহরে বিভিন্ন কল শোজ আমরা যেগুলোকে বলে থাকি, বিভিন্ন অর্গানাইজেশনের সামনে গিয়ে উই ওয়ান্ট টু পারফর্ম ইন ফ্রন্ট অফ দেম, বিকজ ইটস আ ফ্যান্টাস্টিক শো. অ্যান্ড থ্রু ইয়োর channel, I'm requesting to all my audience and fans, please একবার আপনারা আসুন. It's a promise that you will like it. You will love it.
তোমাকে দেখবো বলে, or rather if I should, say it this way, ইমনকে দেখবো বলে, ইমন's debut on stage সেটাকে দেখবো বলে you have to come on 22nd and 23rd of March to Nozrul Monch, and please buy the tickets. And before we conclude, can we request you for 2 more lines?
This song or any
Anything
others?
that you want.
Okay. I get very puzzled when somebody asks me to sing a song.
How about Rangoboti?
How about Rangavati? Okay,
Yes.
thank you. হে রঙ্গবতী রঙ্গবতী হা রঙ্গবতী 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 রঙ্গিলা অন্তরে হাবুডুবু তোমারি কথা আরে রঙ্গবতী রঙ্গবতী রঙ্গিলা অন্তরে হাবুডুবু তোমারি কথা.
Thank you so much for talking to us, Iman. And for more such interesting videos and podcasts, please subscribe to Indulge.